Ciao Tesla people. So looks like that the bug that I posted a few days ago, and then actually even a couple of weeks ago, it was fixed. At least looks like, but sometimes it doesn't work, and it's kind of random. So I don't know how to test it. And the issue is the following. So this bug was discovered by a fellow YouTuber, eRocket, Paolo. So basically, in the Model Y performance, Juniper, in the dynamics, you can set the right handling between standard and sport. So the bug was that if you put in standard, you drive around, then you come back, you stop the car, you get out, you come back inside the car, and you start the car, and it will switch automatically to sport. So it looks like that with the updated 2025.38.8, which I installed maybe a week ago, something like that, looks like this has been fixed somehow because, for example, today, when I came back to get the car this morning, so the car was parked for the all night, it was in sport, even though I drove around in standard yesterday. And of course, it didn't switch back to sport when I drove around, stopped, and came back home. So it looks like it's a bit random right now. So it's been fixed, but not 100%. We'll see in the coming Tesla OS updates how it's going to behave. Hopefully, they'll fix it once for all. And if you have a Model Y performance Juniper, let me know if you see this bug and maybe you figure out what's the sequence, if there is a sequence, or it's just a random issue. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. The link is in the description. You can get a discount. And also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.